This easy and hearty breakfast dish is a one-skillet meal that only takes 35 minutes to make. Lemony hollandaise provides the perfect creamy contrast to spicy sautéed mustard greens and poached eggs. Don't forget the crusty bread for dipping. Dad will love these hearty rice bowls topped with runny, delicious fried eggs. Savory and sweet, this brunch dish is the best of both worlds. Dad is sure to love this dish loaded with crunchy corn chips and chili. Add a fried egg on top to make it feel more brunch-y. If Dad's a pizza fan, this is the perfect breakfast in bed option for your favorite guy. A recipe that combines peanut butter and chocolate? The ultimate Father's Day gift. Dad might need to take a power nap to recharge after this sweet breakfast treat, but it's definitely worth it. Eggs, cheese and ham, what more could a man possibly want? After assembling the ingredients in a baking dish, slide it into the oven for an easy, delicious meal. Considering they're topped with avocado, pico de gallo, lime juice, and, of course, plenty of cheese, Dad is sure to love eating these chilaquiles on Father's Day. These chocolate scones are so good, Dad will be reaching for seconds, and maybe even thirds. These sliders are the perfect fork-free way for Dad to eat this favorite southern meal. If you're not feeling confident in your kitchen skills, eggs are always a great option. Whip up this pimento, cheese, and ham scramble that's super quick and tastes great. If your dad likes to try new things, these zesty grapefruit donuts are the perfect brunch recipe to try. Nothing beats fresh donuts, and what could be fresher than ones made right there at home? The powdered sugar coating perfectly complements these tangy bites. You just can't go wrong with tacos. Follow the recipe or play with it by adding in some of Dad's favorite breakfast toppings or veggies. There's no wrong time of day to serve pizza. Dad won't be able to resist reaching for seconds of this crispy brunch-inspired flatbread, diced apple pieces and toasted maple walnuts on top of perfectly fluffy pancakes makes for the perfect Father's Day morning. No Father's Day brunch is complete without a cheesy quiche. The best part is you can make this ahead of time and just heat it up when you're ready. Dad used to make this cheery breakfast for you when you were a kid. Now it's time to return the favor. Kick your hash browns up a notch with these tasty taters. They're made with red pepper, onion, and paprika. When you can't choose between waffles and eggs, put them together to make this mouth-watering brunch sandwich. Dad won't be able to resist these luscious ricotta pancakes. Everyone in the family, especially your dad or husband, will appreciate the extra kick in their morning bacon. Prepare this colorful quiche with lots of cheese just for Dad. The classic peanut butter and jelly flavors are what make this dessert perfect for brunch. For your man's special day, bake these tasty popovers for brunch. Add all his favorite toppings on these sweet breakfast cupcake. Serve this hearty poblano and hash dish with a side of tortillas to soak up that egg yolk. Brunch doesn't have to break the budget. This casserole version of everyone's favorite brunch classic lets you easily prepare a meal for friends and family without the added cost of dining out. Take your tater tots to the next level with this decadent casserole recipe. The classic pasta dish is now a muffin. Alfredo sauce and Parmesan cheese are mixed into the batter and each muffin is topped with crispy bacon. This savory quiche is the breakfast mashup of Dad's dreams. Mix up Dad's weekend routine with this Mexican staple. Two breakfast favorites come together in this sweet and savory recipe. If Dad is a fan of bacon, egg, and cheese bagels, then he will absolutely love this cheesy, flavorful breakfast bread. With only 20 minutes of prep time and 30 minutes in the oven, this brunch favorite will be on the table in less than an hour. Succulent fish and seafood become a decadent dish when mixed into a creamy sauce topped with a crispy, shredded potato crust. The secret to nailing this savory Mexican-inspired favorite? Cook the potatoes in the bacon fat. Take Dad's favorite dessert and make it his Father's Day breakfast. Pro tip: wait until the pancakes are almost ready to flip before adding the pineapple ring for a cleaner outcome. This banana bread couldn't be simpler to make, which is why it's ideal for a last-minute spread. Seriously, breakfast tacos are the way to go. In this keto-friendly recipe, swap the corn or flour tortilla for a taco shell made of mouth-watering bacon.